most natural extension of love is the blissful legal bond of holy matrimony. While the process of getting married is quite simple, the process of separation isn't. It can be both mentally and financially frustrating. But there is a way through which most of this can be avoided. That is by signing a prenuptial agreement. Hello everyone, I am your host Tanisha and welcome to a brand new episode on AskOpinion's channel where we discuss and debate the important issues that impact all of our lives in both small and big ways. In today's episode, we'll delve into the importance of prenups and understand how essential is it to sign a prenup before marriage. Prenuptial agreements or prenups are mutually agreed upon documents that are signed by a couple before their marriage in the event that they might have to undergo a divorce later. These documents dictate the distribution of financial assets along with other elements such as spousal or child support. Prenups also save the couples from the mental stress that they have to go through in the event of a divorce. Therefore, it is essential for a couple to sign a prenup before they exchange their wedding vows. But this agreement will only be prepared only if both the parties involved are serious about their future. Well, the answer is no. In India, marriages are so much more than just a legal document. They are a sacred bond of holy matrimony. Marriages fall under the Hindu Marriage Act and prenups do not hold any value under this act. But since we live in a democracy that holds signed affidavits by two parties who have made certain declarations in their highest regards, if the couple decides in that case to split their financial assets or declare business-related decisions and take custody of their children on a document that is signed by both the parties, it cannot be disregarded in the court of law. Be aware though, do not violate section 23 of ICA. Also consider the separation clause and the no child clause that will otherwise render your contract null and void. Divorce rates have been increasing rapidly. A dating app by the name Truly Madly Deeply has showcased a 200% rise in the rate of users who were divorced. Women now know that they do not have to stay in failed marriages anymore. Getting a divorce simply to exploit the spouse and receive alimony isn't fictional. It is very much possible. And this is the exact reason why, in order to safeguard you from being exploited, a prenup is the best option available. Couples who have registered their marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act can have either of the partner, husband or wife, demand alimony in the event of a separation. But if their marriage falls under the Special Marriages Act, it is only the wife who will be entitled to demand alimony. There are extremely rare instances where the husband has received alimony in the event of a divorce. Discussing a matter that involves the after effects of a separation can be quite awkward for the couple. But the only way to approach it is by ensuring that both the parties educate themselves regarding all aspects of marriage. That involves life after marriage, the division of household chores, the financial contribution, the timeline to have a child and make investments. It is only after discussing all these issues that the topic of a prenup will become extremely logical. And the merits of having these conversations is invaluable. There are many reported instances of people getting married to their partner for wealth. Many men and women seek out a shortcut to get rich by marrying someone extremely wealthy. They separate within a short span of time and with that, they appeal to part with a considerable chunk of the spouse's wealth. The court, under normal circumstances, will grant spousal support to the partner that doesn't come from a very wealthy background. All of this can be avoided with a prenup. While signing a prenup, it is essential to determine certain factors: distribution of wealth, custody of children, controlling interests in case of joint businesses, and so on. One should be very diligent while writing down all the clauses. They should be described in detail, leaving no room for animosity. In fact, the document itself should be validated and notarized by a lawyer in the court of law. A report suggests that as per 2020, only 50% of the population are aware regarding a prenup, while only 40% think of considering it. There are no clear statistics as to how many actually end up having a prenup. Post-nuptial agreement is an agreement that is signed by the couple after marriage and that lays down the technicalities in case of a separation. The contract isn't upheld in the court of law. But since it is like any other signed document that is agreed upon by the two parties, it will be of value. So just like any other matter that is agreed upon in the document, even the custody of the child can be discussed in detail. Who will they live with, the financial support, their education, and even visitation rights. Declaration of all these topics in detail allows the partners to be extremely transparent to each other in a relationship that they are venturing into. Trust and understanding form the basis of any relationship. So if a couple decides to formalize or legalize this bond, it is essential that everything should be taken into consideration. A prenup indeed is a very thoughtful way to achieve that. So go ahead and get it done. Also, tell us, what do you think? Is signing a prenup essential before marriage?
If you want to know more about this topic or view the opinion poll, click on the link in the description box. Also, do not forget to share your opinions in the comment section below. You can also suggest some topics that you would like us to cover by sending a WhatsApp on +91 9513 260000. If the topic you suggest gets selected, then you are going to win something exciting. If you like this video, then share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.